Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to switch back to Windows 10 refresh options in Windows 11. So basically the main context button on the Windows 11 doesn't have the refresh button by default. Refreshing the screen items on the latest versions of Windows takes 3 clicks. And then I'm going to show you the exact procedure on how to switch back to Windows 10 refresh options. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a notepad sa ating computer. Alright? So open mo lang yung notepad and then kailangan lang natin i-paste itong command keyword na yan. So once na ilagay na natin dito yung command keyword na to at ilalagay ko to sa description box, ang next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, makikita mo dito yung file. So click mo lang yan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung save as, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And pop up itong save as settings. Ang next step, so select ka lang dito kung saan mo isi-save itong file. Kung desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, and others mga kaibigan. Alright, so click mo lang tong desktop and then dito lang sa kanyang file name, so kailangan natin yang i-rename. So ito yung ilalagay natin na name, so refresh.reg. Okay, so ito yung kailangan mong i-rename na refresh.reg. And then next step, dito sa kanyang save as type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan and then select mo lang dito yung all files. Okay, and so select yung all files. Yung file name dapat refresh.reg, and then yung save as type, select mo lang dito yung all files. And next step, so click mo lang dito yung save. Okay, click mo lang yung save. So after mo ma-save, so close lang natin itong notepad, and then next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung nagawa natin na file. Alright, so makikita nyo dito yung nagawa natin na refresh.reg. So, nakasave dito sa ating desktop. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin dyan, so select mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then click mo lang dito yung open. If you receive user account control and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. Ayan. So, makikita mo itong notification na to na registry editor, adding informations can unintentionally change or delete values and cause components to stop working correctly. And then, ang next step ay, are you sure you want to continue? And then, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung yes. Alright? And then, next step, so kapag na-click mo na yung yes, and then, dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po ka-simple on how to switch back to Windows 10 refresh options in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.